it's me. Today, we're gonna be drawing a turkey surprise. So what looks like one turkey is gonna turn into three. All right, let's get started. All right, we're gonna get started by folding our paper in half. Just gonna match these edges up and smooth it out. From there, we're gonna take this bottom part and we're just going to fold that up, line it up right with the top, and smooth that part out as well. All right. Now go ahead and grab your Sharpie, and we're gonna make a pretty wide U. So we're gonna come from way over here, and we're gonna make a nice wide U, just like that. Now up here on the top part, we're gonna take this part and we're just gonna come up at a diagonal. Same thing on the other side, just a slight diagonal. We're gonna bring it up. They don't have to be even. It's totally fine, just how it is. Now right here in the middle, we're gonna make a smaller U that's just gonna come down and touch the bottom. We're gonna follow this line at the bottom and curve back up. Just like that. Now on the top part, we're just gonna add a little line that goes in and a little line that goes in on each side, just above our fold. From there, we're gonna draw a straight line across coming from here. It can have a little bend to it like a happy face, and we're just gonna swing it across and up, just like that. All right, so now from here, we're just gonna put